What's happening, everyone, and welcome back to Salads That Don't Suck. Today we're doing Orzo salad, a recipe we've been making for years and that my wife is absolutely in love with. Methinks she may have married me for the salad. It all starts with Orzo, which is just a small pasta, and I like to cook it just to al dente so that it retains its firmness in the salad. Just make sure to rinse it after it's done to stop the cooking process. And then lay it out on a sheet pan or similar vessel so that it has time to cool. While the pasta is cooling, we're going to prepare the other ingredients. This is the genius of this recipe. Just a few simple ingredients: basil, dried cherries, feta, and toasted pine nuts. I think it's important to use sweet dried cherries to balance out with the feta. And just make sure that you keep an eye on the pine nuts; they can burn quickly. Combine all the ingredients and use a generous amount of olive oil, depending on how much Orzo you have. I used a whole package of Orzo, so I'll use about a third cup of olive oil. I'm also going to use a bit of Sicilian lemon white balsamic vinegar. You can eat this right away, but you can also make it ahead of time, which is what I've done here. If you do, just keep in mind you may need to add more olive oil and vinegar. The pasta has a tendency to soak up all that goodness when allowed to rest. And that's my trick. I want to thank everyone for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes and fun videos. We'll see you next time.